Okay, so what we got here is a SLK 2003, and what we've done on this vehicle is we fully installed a brand new flip out screen. So we took the old outdated radio out, which is this one here from Mercedes. Pretty useless, doesn't have any support for anything. So we installed this brand new Pioneer flip out screen. Obviously, due to the lack of space, this is the only thing you can get to get a screen in here. It will open up with the car, so when you turn the car on, it will open up. As you can see, the clearance. Supports full CarPlay and Android Auto, so you got your phone connected up through USB. As you can see there, full CarPlay running, full touchscreen. All the sound comes with the original system as well. Nice and powerful. Got full support for DAB, normal radio, FM, Bluetooth, and all your favorite stuff you can use on here as well. And it will turn off normally when you turn the car off.